Hey there, Plastiques, and welcome to yet another video. It's your friend Joe here, and I'm continuing with my Rainbow High Series 2 unboxings. Today we have Stella Monroe. So to celebrate the holidays, I am opening most of the Series 2 of Rainbow High. The only one I'm not opening is Amaya Rainbow because I already have her and I don't know, I wasn't that sold on the design. But the other three I am definitely opening. And if you guys saw my last video where I opened Karma Nichols, I was very impressed thus far. As you can see, she's back there. She's just joining the gang. It's growing. I'm getting more and more obsessed with Rainbow High. It's happening. Here is Stella Monroe. I think she's made an appearance on the Rainbow High web series, so why don't we check that out real quick. I think it was last episode. Okay guys, so here you go. I have it right here. Let's watch this episode 5. It's called Date Drama at the Dance. Episode 5, Double Date Disaster. All right, let's see what happens.
Right? Really? You don't remember my name?
So Ruby's a graphic designer.
Maybe you don't make that much of an impression.
Oh, always with the A's. Oh, there she is. There's Stella Monroe.
First years, listen up.
We're here to give you a welcome to Rainbow High gift. An invitation to our color block party. 8 tonight. Main hall. See you there.
And dress to impress. We accept nothing less.
They are so extra.
Party? I gotta get ready
Oh.
now.
Okay, so she shoved the Cher impersonator out of the way.
The prefect party's gonna be lit.
Wanna meet me there?
You and me kicking at the dance.
Ooh, a bit of
I'm in.
flirting.
Sweet. We'll see if I remember your name this time.
Drama. God, she's obsessed with showing off.
We need to impress the A's, and you need to look good
A,
for your
A,
boy.
A.
On it, there's a new neon lip palette I've been dying to try out.
Ooh, hashtag daring. Just depends what we're wearing.
Always with the hashtags.
Guess what? She's giving us a sneak peek at her brand new designs. Real?
Excited much? Oh,
Ladies,
Bella.
welcome to
Always
my
looks
studio.
gorgeous.
I've been designing some new looks.
I love the slow-mo. Alright, more product placement.
The look. Yes? No? Literal perfection. Perfect for a party.
Imagine everyone being the exact same size.
Ruby, you have a date?
Ruby's got a new boyfriend.
He's not my boyfriend. Yes.
I still love Jade.
We're expecting flawless fashions, especially from our DJ. Are you ready, P?
With this inspo?
Poppy's
yeah.
always cross-eyed,
Let's
so
go,
cute.
girls.
Oh, I love Sunny.
Honey, I'll come back for you.
Oh, I love Sunny.
Heart emoji.
This
Oh,
party's
Sunny's
hot.
outfit is gray here. That's weird.
Oh, hey, I see one of my boys by the punch. I'll be right back.
Our girls are here. Whoa. Hey. Oh, look at you.
You look so
You
good.
look amazing. You
Oh.
just missed Skylar's boyfriend.
I love Jade's hat.
Where's your date? Let's find out. Tonight on the Vi Life, Ruby's first big
Oh.
date. We're seriously doing this on camera? Yes.
I am getting some serious LGBT vibes between Vi and
Let's go
Ruby.
find him and bring him back for a special date night at Rainbow High. TM. I get the royalties. ARB.
TM, oh my god.
Hey.
Hey. That look is fire.
I mean,
Wait,
she doesn't
you're
look
not
that
filming this, right?
good.
No. I mean, not until you get your face
Colin,
really
he's a bit
quick.
sus.
Actually, I'm not into being filmed. Can you just delete that?
Hey. Girls, this is my date, Colin. Colin, this is my bomb runway group. Hi. Bad. Oh, very bad. Very, very bad. Hey.
Sunny knows.
Caught in the crowd and I...
She knows a T.
Oh, you know my date? Your
your date? Colin's my boyfriend.
Ugh, man. I found the release.
Huh?
Oh, right.
You need a pen.
Oh, drama. I wonder when we're gonna see Colin as a doll. But that was a lot of drama. Jeez. I don't know about you guys, but Colin seems a little sus. I mean, not wanting to be filmed and inviting Ruby. I mean, there was a little bit of flirtation there. And then Stella Monroe, she hardly had any lines, but she has a British accent apparently. That's the one thing that I don't quite understand about the series too, is that it seems like a lot of these dolls aren't in the series yet, or they're only appearing for like 2 seconds, and I don't really get why they're making these dolls and not the ones that are on the series and don't have dolls yet. But you know what? We have more dolls. I'm happy. I can't complain. You know, here we have her. Oh my god. Okay, so let's open her up. You guys remember when Rachel opened her first Rainbow High? That was quite funny. I don't know if they changed the design of these boxes, but they seem a lot easier to open than the first series. Like, that comes out so easy, and the fashion pack comes out a lot easier. Like, the first series, it was a struggle to open them. Here's the doll. Oh, she looks so pretty. Okay, let's get the doll stand. And again with the hangers. I love these hangers. I can't say enough good things about these hangers. All dolls should come with hangers. No, I'm just kidding. So, let's take her out. So again, with the ties, like I said in my Karma video, they like to put ties in very tricky places that are very easy to miss, which results in clothes being torn, which is not always the best thing to happen, especially when you're a collector, you know? I can't imagine kids being happy about that either. Oh, okay. So there's some fur shedding already. It's not a good sign. Here's the best part. 3, 2, 1. Ah. Ooh, okay, and again, there's her comb, but we don't need that. Oh, and I never like when they do these. Like, I haven't seen that since Barbie. Like, they put rubber bands on the shoes to keep them on. I wonder if they listened, because a lot of the first series shoes kept breaking. The shoes were made smaller or tighter. I don't know if this is the right solution, because it always leaves marks and indents from the plastic, or the rubber bands, I'm sorry. Here she is, Stella Monroe. Wow. 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 Wowie. I love her. I love her. I love her. Now her name is obviously a reference to Marilyn Monroe. Hence the beauty mark right up over the lips. Now her makeup's actually a lot simpler than the other girls. Not to say it's natural, but it is a lot more toned down than a lot of the other girls. It's just 2 shades of pink, not a whole lot, but I still love it. And I love the hair. I think this is the first girl to have like hair that's like really wide. A lot of the girls in series 1 had hair, but it was a lot of the same kind of hair, like curly, long, beach waves.
You're basic.
But she actually has some style. I love these pigtails right here. Yeah, she has a lot of hair. And look at that rooting, thick roots right there. Oh my gosh, you guys. Now I love this jacket, and I've heard that it's inspired by the H&M Moschino collection. Claudina knows. I would just watch her video. It's a little simpler compared to the other ones. Like, I think the focus is on the jacket, which I appreciate. On the jacket, it's like black straps with gold stitching. I guess it's meant to look like chains a little bit. When I was unboxing her, this fur was starting to shed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so be careful, it does shed. I still love the fashion. I love the skirt. It's like a leather, is it leather? Yeah, it's leather with like eyelet cutouts, laser cuts, and then it's stoned. Did you stone those tights? Did you stone that skirt? So here's where I kind of have an issue. The shoes, they come off so easy, guys. So be very careful. These will get lost. I like the design, but they come off very easily. And I think that's a response to the complaints that they had that a lot of the shoes were being ripped or torn when people try to put them on. So I understand where they're coming from. Now we have the opposite problem. They're pink with a black stiletto and then a gold toe, and they say rainbow. MGA taking the feedback. Her nails are painted very, very subtly. It's like a very light pink, but they are painted. So they are listening. Painted nails are coming back, guys. So happy. And also her hair is very lightly gelled. It's nowhere near as bad as the first series. I gotta tell you that. I really appreciate that NGA is listening and they're taking our feedback. Shall we put her in her second outfit? See how that's like? Oh my god, this is the first time it's ever come off that cleanly, guys. It never comes off that cleanly. I'm very chaotic. I never open things in a specific order. If you noticed in my Karma video, I started with the clothes. Now I'm starting with the shoes. I never make any sense. Here are the second pair of shoes. Okay, these are a style of shoes that I prefer, although they do tend to rip. I haven't ripped any of mine yet, but you just have to be very, very careful. But I like these. They have 3 straps, 2 light pink and 1 same dark pink, and a black heel and stiletto, and some gold rivets. I never understand why they make these fashion packs so hard to open. I definitely appreciate that they come with a second fashion, but couldn't you make them just a little bit easier to open so you don't risk ripping the clothes? Like, it really is like performing surgery. Like, you have to be very careful and get into those crevices. More ties, so many ties. So here's her skirt. It is very fragile, you guys. I'm not entirely sure what they were thinking using this material. Like, oh, look at those sequins. They shine. The sequins are stitched onto this organza. I can already see, I don't know if you guys can see, but there are some holes from the stitching down in the bottom. And there is a way to get rid of that. You just want to get like a toothbrush and like just gently rub on it, and then that closes the holes. I don't really appreciate that it comes like that. And also the hem of the skirt is not finished. It's just cut.
Everywhere you look, there's a hem.
And I'm assuming it's made from polyester, so they just lasered. Oh gosh. Okay, see, this is why I hate the ties, because now it's stuck in there and I don't really know what to do, because I don't want to risk it. Okay, sorry, I have to take this off. Very tricky, because if you pull it the wrong way, then you end up with a hole. Okay, got one out. Okay, the second one, I think it's easier. Okay, got that one out. Okay, now there's a tie on the back. Again, so many ties. Please stop with the ties. We don't need this many ties, especially on such delicate fabrics. Like, why, MGA? You don't need to put this many ties. Very carefully, very, very, very carefully trying to slice that tie. Okay, we got it. Okay, but now it's stuck in there. This is why I don't like the ties. Okay, there's 1, 2. Okay, I got the ties out, but again, look at all those holes that they left, especially on this thin organza. And then the underskirt is made from a nice sturdy taffeta. I like the design of the skirt, it's cute, but it is filled with so many holes. That's my feedback, MGA. Hopefully you'll listen. Now, let's get the top out. Okay, and now she has like a little bustier, very lingerie looking top. A tulle, like bolero with gold dots. All right, let's put it on. And the shoes just fall right off. I'm a little bit sad that none of these come with a second pair of socks. I don't really want to reuse the socks for a second look, but let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, I never thought I'd see this in a Playline doll, but her jacket is actually semi-lined. Look at that. You never see that in Playline clothes. A lined jacket? Wow, I am impressed. Oh, and she has these chains on the back. Oh, it's not ribbon. I'm mistaken, guys. It's like embroidery. So the chain is embroidered on there. So that's why it's kind of flat wherever the chain is. Okay, I like it. I like it. I can't get over this being lined. Like, you don't see that in doll clothes. That's, again, it makes it more real. It makes it more like real clothes that we see. The stitching on the skirt is fine. I really love these AB crystals. AB means Aurora Borealis. So it kind of mimics that Aurora Borealis effect where it's like color shifting. Normal rhinestones without the AB is like just a clear sparkle, but this one is, I don't know if you can see on camera, but you can kind of see a color shift, the green and pinks. Sorry guys, I'm very thorough. Okay, let's do an articulation test. Head, elbows, good, wrists, oh. What's going on? Oh, okay, so this wrist is stuck. Doesn't like to move. Are all the wrists the same and I just haven't realized? Her wrists are very stuck. Like, they do not want to rotate. They just want to pop off. Like, see? No rotation. Let me see. Are my other ones like that? No. Okay, so I can confirm that my other Rainbow Highs don't have that problem. For some reason, her wrists have no articulation or no rotation. I mean, they still turn, they still twist, but they do not turn. Okay, and then these twist, and yeah, bent knees. I love that double joint. I mean, I never really move the wrist, so I'm not sure if it's worth contacting MGA for that. But yeah, let's get her into her second outfit. Okay, you definitely have to take off the hands to put the top on or else it won't go in. Okay, so they definitely listened because the top strap is a lot looser than in the first series, so it's not going to be prone to breaking. It actually feels like a harder plastic than the first series shoes. But yeah, it's wider, so the shoes slip right in. So here she is in her second outfit. I really love it. It looks gorgeous. It looks very prom-y, like very, she's going to that dance to meet a boy. Yeah, my only complaint again is with the skirt having so many holes. I love these shoes a lot better actually. And I just love the design. Like, I feel like they really put more design into these dolls. Like with series 1, the designs of the clothes were great, but they were a lot of samey. Like almost all the girls came with like a loose A-line dress, but I feel like for this second series, each girl has like a very distinct style that really separates all of them. I really love Stella. You know, I'm obsessed with pink. This is just very, 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 very bright, strong, almost Barbie pink, but not quite. I love a color. Tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like her? Do you guys hate her? Will you guys get her? Like and subscribe, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching this video, and if you do like it, please share it with your friends. Tell them all about it. I'm trying to grow my channel. If you don't like it, just leave a comment. Tell me. I appreciate feedback always. Keep an eye out. I have plenty of videos coming out. Make sure to be subscribed. Make sure to follow all my social medias, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, all that. I am still doing the 24 days of Monster High. So I have an advent calendar that I'm opening on my TikTok. So make sure to follow on there. Everything at Plastique Chat. So with that said, guys, keep it plastique.